Fish. Feel like a decent fish too. Oh, feel like a decent fish. I feel like a decent fish. Oh man, oh my God. What a monster. Another monster mine cichlid. Jesus. Look at this guy. And I'm talking about a slab dog. Jesus. This is a slab dog. Yes, sir. What a big fish. Ooh. Zero. About 12 inches. 12 inches in fat. I think it's taking off again. I think it's taking off. Oh man, feel like a good fish, y'all. Feel like a good fish, y'all. Oh yeah, feel like a good fish. Oh man, ooh, good fight. Good fight. Oh man, a slab. Oh, another slab. Ooh, another slab. Ooh, wow. Ooh, look at this guy. Ooh, another slab. Oh man. Put him up there, see if he go. Oh, don't get back to the water. All right. Good job, my boy. I can't be mad at you. Good job. Taking off, taking off, taking off, taking off. Oh, fish. This look like a bass, maybe. Oh man, this look like maybe a bass. A big bass. I love to fry me a bass right about now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh man. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at that bass right there. Whew. Yes, sir. Look at that slab bass right there. Wow. Look at this bass right here, y'all. That's a 3-pound bass right there. Yes, sir. Live worms, doing it again. Let's get her done, baby. Yes, indeed. I thought it was a snakehead, but we'll take this beautiful largemouth bass right here. Let's go. Fish on. Something took it. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Yeah, buddy. Yes. 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 Targeted. Yes. I finally got the targeted species of the day. Woo! Yes, sir. We'll take this guy. Yeah, he's gonna be feisty. It's okay. I'll be mad too. I'll be mad too. I'll be mad too. So I can't be mad at you. It's all right, baby. Here we go. We'll take this guy. Not a little snakehead. Yes, sir. To that beautiful snake pattern on him. Nice fish. It's a small guy, but eat just as good. Eat just as good. Yes, sir. We'll take him. Woo. Ooh, Mr. Big Largemouth. Look at Mr. Largemouth with him. Yes, sir. We'll take him. Yes, sir. Nice little Oscar. My people, I saw him down there, but I didn't see him. I'm not keeping this guy. You know what? I am gonna keep because I want to see what he tastes like. Actually, I am gonna keep this guy because I want to see what it tastes like. All right. So yeah, get in there, my boy. There we go. Snakehead, bass, Mayan, Oscar. Let's go. The day started slow, but we kept hustling. We kept moving. All right, we tried different spots, and we finally caught some fish. That's the name of the game: fishing, hunting. All right, gathering. Let's call it a day. I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm not gonna do anything tonight. I'm gonna put some ice on them, fillet them tomorrow, fry them up tomorrow. See y'all in the kitchen. All right, man. Appreciate y'all watching the channel. Coach O outside. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's go. Welcome to South Florida. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Coach O outside. Hey, let's look at the catch. Oh, look at that slab bass right there. Ooh, that's a stud bass. Juvenile snakehead, slab Mayan, and an Oscar. Listen, if you watched the last few videos, yeah, we got a little weather system that's happening here. You know, we're in South Florida, so you know there's some lightning and thunder. So, but we're gonna make the cut, a diagonal cut right here. And we're gonna turn them and go down the backbone. Go down the backbone. All right. Let's see how we did. Not terrible, not great. You know, I see a little meat right here. All right. Let's get this meat off this guy. Yeah. Not bad right there. Baya. Boyaka. Going in on this side. The turtle. Yeah. All right. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Let's go, Mr. Snaky. It's a juvenile snakehead right here. The juvenile guy would be much easier to fillet than the big ones. Hey, the skin on these are so thick. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go on the other side right here. Rob. Wham. Bomb. Bomb. The meat is up top. Bomb. Should be same as the Mayan. Bomb. Yeah, I left a ton of meat right there. See, I left some meat right here. I left some meat right here. But not bad overall. All right, now. Let's go. All right, YouTube. Saw me fillet the fish up. Now we gotta clean it. I clean with vinegar. All right. Put that thing in vinegar. Let that thing marinate there for a few minutes. Get off whatever little excess germs or whatever it is might be on there. All right. So we're gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes. Then I'll get back with you. Now we're gonna rinse our fish. Get the excess vinegar off. All right. We're gonna get the excess vinegar off. Just, you know, dilute it. Once you have done that, now you have to make sure fillets are nice and dry. So I'm going here on the napkin. Going that right here. Right there. Just lay them out nice, let them dry. We'll put some napkins over the top of that. Put some napkins over the top of that. Let these bad boys dry. Want them nice and dry. I'm just gonna peel back the layers right here. Peel this back. Get these dry fillets. All right, we're gonna get these dry fillets. And we're just gonna put them in the bass right here. And put them inside this dry bowl for seasoning. All right. All right. And this guy, I'm gonna leave this guy for last. Might do you separate. All right. It's a very flavorful seasoning. All right, you could do anything with this, but it's a beautiful seasoning. All right, let's get that in there. And I always say, don't be shy. I want to season this guy up. You know, don't be shy. All right, that should be good right there. I don't want to OD or nothing, but it smells so good. All right. For all you people late to the party, all right, you got it seasoned with your Old Bay. You're going in with your mustard as your binder. This is supposed to hold the Louisiana fish fry on your fish. All right, for that all that awesome flavor. All right, this fish has been deboned. I mean, well, filleted, and there's no bone. Now listen, it's a lot of waste when you do it this way. Okay, and you fillet the fish. Like some people like to keep on. Listen, I ain't mad at you if you do that. All right, let me get a little bit more. But that mustard flavor is nice. Remember, hot sauce is just as good. Oh man, that thing smells so good. I love mustard though, so all right. All right, so I have the fish and the fish fry. Now we're gonna try to transfer the fish fry onto the fish. All right, we're gonna try to get that thing transferred onto the fish. All right, let's roll that bad boy around. Make sure there's some separation between the pieces. I put the whole thing in there. Coated, should be nice and coated right there. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we're just going in. It's a snakehead fillet. I really don't want them touching, but whatever. All right, so that's that. You want your oil to be scorching hot, my people. Scorching hot. Oh boy. That's some spillage. All right, let's check them out. Yeah, they look good. Looking good. All right. We'll let those drain. Look how nice that looks, people. Now I'm gonna leave that here. I'll let that continue to do its thing. And yeah, we'll see what it tastes like after. Let's go. Oh yeah. Look like chicken. Look like chicken to me. There go the finished product right here, people. Some people may say, well, oh, you only deep fry your fish. Is that what you say? Be clear, these are freshwater fish. All right, the best way to prepare them is to deep fry them. Okay, especially with the Louisiana fish fry and the binder. I guarantee you, I don't know what way you do it, but I guarantee you, if you do this, whatever way you do, you're gonna change. I promise you. So yes, this is the best way. Now, if it's a saltwater fish snapper, you could bake it. You could do all kinds of stuff to it. I probably could jerk this, but you may still get some freshwater taste. This way, the flavor is really, really nice, man. That Louisiana fish fry does a great job of helping with the flavoring. The mustard helps a great deal with the flavoring. So yeah, man, I love it. So for me, I'm not knocking nobody. Do your thing, man. But yeah, we're gonna ride out like this. Yeah, man. Let's go. All right, let's go. Looks as good, it tastes as good as it looks. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, pick it up like a piece of steak. Let's go up here, there's some meat right here. Little backbone right here. Some of the Louisiana fish fries coming off, but that's okay. Put on some hot sauce on that bad boy and try to pull the meat off from the bone. Other than the annoyance of the bone, can't complain. Can't complain. This is the backbone of the bass. Oh, I am tripping. Oh gosh. Yeah. So that's that bass. I thought it was snake. Bass with the mustard, Louisiana fish fry, and that's the backbone. All right, the fillets are in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some tacos when my girlfriend get over here. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all watching the video. Man, I'm on the freshwater kick, bad. I used to not like freshwater fish very much, and I actually agreed with Land Shark that, you know, there's not really bad fish, it's just bad cooks. I think once you learn how to cook something, most fish has a chance. Now, obviously, there are certain fish where the meat just doesn't taste very good, but that's not what I'm seeing right now with some of these freshwater fish that a lot of people consider like trash fish, whether the Mayan cichlid, you know, the Oscar, you know, bass. People eat bass. You know, country folk eat bass. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. I appreciate y'all watching the video. I appreciate the love. You know, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, Coach O Outside. I'm Coach O, Okil Swaby. Shout out to Miami Country Day School. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go.